It's big, it's old, it's falling apart, and I kind of like it. So Melissa is coming out to help. Like everywhere you look in this building, it's been dripping, stuff's been rotting, posts are trashed out. Really?
No, don't like plants.
When did that happen? In this gutter, it looks kind of like there's a gutter, but really it's just like a, what do they call that? Permeable gutter solution?
Drip drain.
Drip drain gutter solution. We're gonna do one insulated ladder, one non-insulated. It's kind of like a lottery system. All right, you gotta check out the gutters on the other side.
Well, that's the good section.
Is that enough?
Yeah, yeah.
Very good, very slow, Miss Tweety, very good.
So here's the deal over here. We kind of thought we were gonna blow this little antechamber out, but on second thought, I think ultimately what we're gonna do is keep it, gutter these two buildings, take the ends off it so the whole thing kind of breathes. It's been a big wet mess. Go figure, lacking roofing. We got to replace some of this stuff, but basically it's kind of solid. It's bolted to the post all the way down. Someone was parking stuff in here with the garage doors. I think ultimately if we get this kind of scraped out and cleaned, some of the stuff fixed up, I'm not gonna say halfway decent, but it's gonna be something.
I'm not sure how to do this.
Okay, you got it?
Sure. Okay, yep. Left-handed, amen.
Yeah. Okay, replace that one. And then we got to replace this one under here. Even though this looks like a main service drop, it's really just like a circuit off the main breaker, which is all shut down, so electrocution risk is lower than normal. We got the patch complete. This stuff needs a little bit of goo. This roof has been gooed. And it's like, you know, just that elastomeric smooch. And we gotta do gutters. Skylight in the making. It's good for stake disposal. Good looking tree going in here. Healthy, kind of flat. Just a little light pruning needed on this one. Okay. Kind of thought that wasn't on a spring, just because there weren't the long springs, but So conventional wisdom has it you're not supposed to bring a knife to a gunfight. But then there's the whole overkill thing. Tore the front rafters out. It might have been a blessing because there's just like a wee bit of water damage up there. Let me see the other side. You know, by the standards around here, it's not that bad. So yeah, you gotta do a little repair-age stuff. But we are getting a look at the building opened up. At least on this side, there's still mirror image down there of the atrocity that was this weird wall. I guess I gotta take down those supports. Have you seen these medieval light fixtures? Absolutely, definitely have to get those running again. There's one down this end too. Oh, I could dig that out or I could just leave it. It's kind of rotastic. I don't even look over here. Okay, let's just not even, that's on the list, but not today's list. So one of the things I've been trying to do with this dang antechamber tunnel thing is just figure out why the heck it was ever in place. I mean, aside from fan belt storage, I'm assuming it was like a vehicle trailer kind of thing in here. And from the look of the kind of chopped up horse mats, this was all here just because there wasn't a gutter on this side. When the lights went out, maybe someone put up the clear panels. I don't know. But I am gonna see if I can't avoid that clattery kind of racket I got out of the previous door. This one's like way up in there, I don't know. All right. I'm just gonna say it was a slightly more surgical strike on this end of the building. Managed to get that out without completely ripping the roof apart. Now, does that mean it's not rotted? Ah, it looks okay, you know. Now look, that is the final nail in the coffin of the gutters. I'm missing a downspout, gotta get that. But this side of the building's got gutters. All this is guttered up over here, both sides of this big, what is that thing? Like a passway, breezeway. And then last night we got them up on this side of the crib. Again, kind of missing a downspout, but on the bright side, we do have a hanging chain, which, you know, that kind of goes a long way. Oh, the junk pile. Oh, but the building, all this stuff, it just needs so much more. What's it called? TLC and stuff? I have to tell myself it's getting there, kind of, a little bit. Another flawless, perfect, utterly amazing job. Yes, I gotta get one of those airless spray thingers. Yeah, I think that's gonna work out. This right here, not necessarily how-to video. I got more stuff to do on the building. It kind of goes without saying, but I appreciate you checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one.